Okay, in this video we're going to be learning how to differentiate another type of function. This time we're going to be learning how to differentiate the natural log, so y is equal to ln x. And the way this function differentiates is it differentiates to give 1 divided by x. However, we're going to be differentiating much more complicated functions than that. We're going to be differentiating functions like y equals ln, let's say x squared plus 4. Okay, now the way we differentiate this function is we write the thing inside the log on the denominator. So we're going to write 1 over x squared plus 4. And then we're going to differentiate this thing inside the log, the x squared plus 4. So if we differentiate that, we're going to get 2x, and we multiply by the 2x. Okay, so in other words, what we end up with here is 2x over x squared plus 4. But there's probably a slightly easier way to think about that. So let's try another function. Let's say we've got y is equal to ln, big bracket, 3x to the power of 4 minus 2x. Okay. If we want to differentiate that, then what we're saying is we differentiate the function inside the ln. So we differentiate this thing, and we're going to stick it on the numerator. So that would give us 12x cubed minus 2. And then the function inside the log goes on the denominator. So 3x to the power of 4 minus 2x. Okay, so take whatever function you've got inside the log, you stick it on the denominator, you differentiate that, and put it inside the numerator. Okay, let's try a few examples. Okay, let's try y is equal to 5x plus the natural log of 3 minus 7x. Okay, if we're going to differentiate this, then differentiating 5x just gives us 5. And if we differentiate the natural log, well, we'll stick the thing inside the log on the denominator, so 3 minus 7x. Then we differentiate that, we get minus 7, so we stick that on the numerator. Okay, so this becomes 5 minus 7 over 3 minus 7x. Okay, let's try another example. Let's say we've got y is equal to x squared plus the natural log of, make it a bit more complicated this time, 2 minus 4x to the power of 6, like that. So if we differentiate this, x squared differentiates to give 2x, and if we differentiate that natural log, well, the function again goes on the denominator, so we've got 2 minus 4x to the power of 6. Well, then what we've got to do is we've got to differentiate this thing here, right? You've got to differentiate that. And you should remember from the earlier chapter in your book that this is going to be a chain rule. So if I differentiate this with the chain rule, I'm going to get 6 bracket 2 minus 4x to the power of 5. Then differentiate inside the bracket, which gives me negative 4. And I multiply through by negative 4. Okay? Now I can cancel off, can't I? I can divide top and bottom in this case by 2 minus 4x to the power of 5. So I differentiate that, cancel that and that, which is going to give me here 2x minus 24 over 2 minus 4x. Okay? All right, guys, hopefully that's enough examples to get you going. I'll see you again next time.